how to delete Snapchat account permanently. First, you go on your profile selection right here on your account. Then you need to tap on your right upper side on the settings bar. When you get up right here, you need to scroll down and take a look on all of these selections, and you need to go for support and go for the first selection, which is I need help. Tap on it. After you get load in this main page on that selection, you need to scroll down and go for My Account Security. And right here, guys, if you take down, you're gonna see deleting or reactivating my account. Click on that selection, and simply from here you can choose between these two options. You need to choose up the second one, which is how do I delete my Snapchat account. Tap on that selection, and now here you have an description site selection, which is from the supporting team of Snapchat. And now if you scroll down and if you go to the accounts portal, just tap on that selection, and from here, guys, you can take off and delete your Snapchat account permanently. Simply need to add your password and then simply go continue, and it will take off to the main point.